So, I got a new bike. Let's have a look at it. I'm off on a spin here in Dungarvan, and I said I'd film it up here because the scenery is unbelievable. It's not planned, so that's even better. Let's have a look at my new bike. Phaser 600, FZ6 Yamaha Phaser. So, let's have a look. So, from a 125 to a 600. Beautiful place here. So, we'll start from the front. See, the front got a little Deise Rebel sticker there. I haven't put too many on it because it doesn't need it. So, front tyres then are about 60-70%. Brilliant, everything is working on it. Nice little windshield there as well. Nice indicators, nice little bottom little pan here as well. Looking perfect. Now here it's a bit flaky, but I'm going to get some stove paint for high temperatures, and I'm going to mask all this around, and I'm going to do these back in just to bring that bit of colour back up on it to match everything else. Looks really nice. I'm riding it nicely now. It's not too bad. I'm enjoying it. So you can see Scorpion exhaust then as well. Yeah, it's the same to me. I don't know. Braided lines here as well, which is really cool. Up here, chain is nearly brand new, just needs a bit of a clean, that's all. I went to clean it the other day and it's really hard to find that to clean on, to be honest with you. So then we have centre stand, which is great to be able to do repairs and stuff like that. Big difference here is gears are back away, so I'm getting used to the foot positions of the gears, not being able to see them firsthand, but that's fine. I'm getting used to them. As you can see, got a little Deise Rebel sticker here. I think that's really cool. The tank is nice, big tank. Have a nice little sticker there, but it's not overly done, you know. Heated grips also. It has it fitted in here nicely. He's really looked after the bike. I know the guy who sold it to me, and he's looked after everything. He's given me all the details of everything that he's done. You can see even here, the clocks and everything are near perfect. Like I said, heated grips, and then I put these bar ends on as well. Phaser 600 on them. It's just fantastic. I like what I got for it, or what I paid for it. Seat needs a bit of doing here. But I'm going to get that done up, and it's like 80 quid. But I'm going to see how much it is to get the piping done on it, like the silver piping, and then I get maybe phaser written here. Yeah, so this is my new bike. 600 phaser up from a 125, and I love it. I'm getting used to it, the power and everything like that as well. But I've done training recently, the last couple of days, so it's really standing to me as well. But you can see how beautiful it is. Absolutely beautiful. It's really, really nice. Getting big compliments on it already. It actually came with this phone holder as well, so I've been really lucky. Yeah, everything is great on it. Everything is great. So this is my new bike. It's nice to be able to go out and be cruising at 100 and not have to be rattling out on it. And yeah, so look, thanks for watching the video. This is my new bike. We're going to have great adventures. I have a new setup on my helmet as well. Obviously the GoPro is in my hand, so it's just go on in there, and I have the mic adapter as well. Mic is in here. Might just show you that as well. You can see it in there. So it's all set up to go, so video should be improving. So yeah, happy days. Thanks for watching. Deise Rebel out. Look at the views here, look. Absolutely beautiful.